So here we have the 150mm or 6-inch diameter PVC pipe, and as you can see it was a 1/4-inch wall on it, or schedule 80 I think it is. Anyway, I'll just get it. I'll just put him in the heat chamber, get the heat gun, just put it on there carefully, making sure that I seal it properly, like that. Turn it on. So anyway, I'll go away, and about five or 6 minutes later the heat gun sort of stopped. Anyway, I just got it out and decided to just try it like it was, and later on I did find out that the plug for the heat gun had actually loosened out, and that's why it stopped. But anyway, I thought we'll see what we can do with what we got. Anyway, I got the board, put it on, stepped on it for a little while, got a weight, a 50-pound weight, and just put that on there, and sort of stood there, and I thought, oh, I'll go away and come later and go, oh, I'll just centre this. Anyway, when I came back, I'll see what it looks like after about 5 minutes, and we'll have a look to see how it turned out. And as you can see, it's flat. Could have been flat if it was a little bit more heat, maybe 1 minute more. But anyway, it's done its job. And I'll just give you a close-up. And I suppose, well, that's about it.